Every day, millions of people wake up believing financial freedom is just one promotion away. But for many, the bank account tells a very different story. Modern life constantly sells us the illusion that spending is the same as success. We wake up, go to work, and repeat the same routine without asking where it leads. Years pass faster than we realize, and time quietly becomes our most valuable asset. Payday feels like victory until reality arrives a few hours later. Rent, food, bills, and debt consume our income before we have a chance to build wealth. Meanwhile, social media shows us a version of life that few people actually live. Without realizing it, many of us become trapped in a financial hamster wheel. Financial freedom is not a destination, it is a decision made repeatedly over time. It begins with understanding where every dollar actually goes. The smallest financial habits often create the biggest long-term consequences. Learning to say no today can create opportunities tomorrow. Wealth is rarely built through luck. It is built through consistency. The more you understand money, the less power it has over your life. Investing is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about giving time a chance to work for you. Every great fortune once started as something small. Financial discipline often extends beyond money and into every part of life. One day, the choices you make today will become the life you live tomorrow. And perhaps that is why financial freedom is harder than most people think.